अभी क्यों करती है?
तो फिर आप करो।
Good morning, student. Today is our first class of biology. I'm your new teacher. And are you listening me? Are you listening me? I'm your new teacher, and my name is Amita Khamesra. It's my pleasure to be a part of St. Paul School. Students, our first chapter is cell. You all know about cell in previous classes. Anyone give answer? What is cell? What is cell? If anyone have any idea, tell me what is cell? Okay, I'm telling you what is cell. Cell is the smallest structure of a living being. Plant as well as animal. Cell are the basic living structure and smallest structure of a living organism. All living being is made up of cell. It depends on the size of the creature. As the bigger an organism, greater the number of cells in its body. Recording. Cell is the functional and structural unit of a living organism. It's a microscopic structure. We cannot see it with our naked eye. We have to use microscope to see cell. There are different kinds of microscope which magnify the structure of cell, and we can study better about cell. These cells perform activities which contribute to overall task of an individual. It is also the majority of organisms start their life as a single cell. All living creatures start their life with a single cell. The same cell undergo repeated division to give rise a large mass of cell. They undergo repeated division. They divide and form a big mass of cell, and then turn into tissue and then organ system and a whole body of a living organism. Further, the cell is specialized for various tasks such as giving support, producing secretions, and carrying the numbers of life activity. All activity performed by our body, it is done by the cell only. The group of cells, then cell form a group and it is known as tissue, and tissue form group and it is known as organ. So many things, but we have to study here only about the cell. Cell is the basic thing of a living being. The all living beings are made up of cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of a living organism. The cell are the basically like in a chemical composition and metabolic processes. All the chemical composition of cell are almost similar, and metabolic reactions and processes are almost same in all type of cell. All living beings arise from the pre-existing cell. They arise from the pre-existing cell, and the cell will continuously die after completing its lifespan, and the new cell replace the died one. New cells replaced by the new cell take the part of died cell. How many cell? It means they are different in number in a particular organism. As the organism bigger in size, the number of cell is greater in that particular creature. All living beings are things are made up of microscopic cells. Form living things are formed as just one cell. All living beings start their life with a single cell, but some organisms are having only one cell and complete their life in one cell, like bacteria and amoeba. They are having only one cell, and it is known as unicellular. Uni means one and cellular means cell. It means the organism which have only one cell is known as living unicellular organism. Example of unicellular organism are amoeba, paramecium, bacteria, and chlamydomonas are the unicellular organism. Multicellular organisms, multi means more, means having more cells, and organisms are known as multicellular organisms. Majority of living organisms are made up of millions and billions of cells are called multicellular organisms, like volvox, rose, mosquito, mango, humans, cow, goat, and etc. These two types of cellular organisms, unicellular and multicellular. Cells, how small are the cells? Cells are very small, and we can see only with the help of microscope, and we cannot see with our naked eyes. Smallest cell are certain bacteria, red blood cells, and red blood cell in our human body. They are the smallest cell. Longest cell of our body is nerve cell. Nerve cell has the longest cell in our body. Largest cell are the bird's egg, which is ostrich. Ostrich has the largest cell in its egg before development or began in it. It is the largest single cell of a living bird or today. The white albumin of the egg and the egg shell are extra part added to the actual egg as it passes down in the reproductive tract. It means we have to say that the largest cell is bird's egg and it is ostrich egg. Average size of adult human is composed of approximately 200 different types of cells. A human being have 200 kinds of cell. They perform their specific task in the body. 37.2 trillion cells in whole body. In our body, 37.2 trillion cells we are having. 100 billion nerve cells in the brain cortex. Only in brain cortex, we found 100 billion nerve cells and 25 trillion red blood cell. In a adult human, we are having 25 trillion red blood cells. These are the number of cells. Cell shape. Different cell are having different kinds of shapes like cellular, oval, rod-like, different kinds of shape. Like human RBC having circular shape. Human RBC having circular shape. It is biconvex also, and for easy passage through blood capillaries and transport oxygen to passes oxygen. The shape of RBC is biconcave. Biconcave. White blood cells are amoeboid. Amoeboid. It means it has no particular shape. It can change its shape continuously. This type of cell is known as amoeboid cell. This amoeboid cell found in white blood cells, and nerve cells are long. The nerve cells are long to conduct impulse. To conduct impulse from one part of the body to the brain. Guard cell of a stromatal pores. Stromatal pores found in leaves, and these guard cells are bean shaped like this. This guard cell is like bean shape. There are different kinds of amoeboid shape, bean shape, and this is long shape. And RBC are circular and what happened? Light has gone. These are the shape of cell. Gross structure of cell, the three essential parts. The three main structures of cell. One is cell membrane, another is cytoplasm, and third is nucleus. These are the three main parts of cell. Cell membrane is the outermost part of the cell. It is living part of the cell and made up of lipoprotein. Cell membrane is made up of lipoprotein. It is the outer boundary of a cell, and it is made up of lipoprotein and provides flexibility to the cell. It can contract and give flexibility to the cell. It is semi-permeable. It means it allows to certain substance go in and it allows certain substance to go out. This process is called semi-permeable. Semi-permeable. It is semi-permeable, meaning that allows only certain substance to pass through while preventing others. Selective substance can go inside the cell and selective substance can go outside from the cell. In a plant cell, an additional outermost non-living layer called the cell wall. In this is the animal cell. But in plant cell, after the cell membrane, it has one another layer which is rigid in touch, and it is known as cell wall. It is known as cell wall. It is non-living thing